Hey, my name is Matiss. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Green Finance, and this is what I do.
What's up, y'all, FinTech enthusiasts and influencers? So I've been spending last 7 years of my life building my company Green Finance and attending what I would call are the most meaningful and purposeful events of my life. FinTech conferences. That's right. And I've been thinking about the world and where we are as people now. And the one thing I realize that we need more FinTech conferences, and I'll tell you why. I'll give you the reasons. I'll break it down for you. The first rule of business that I've learned is that the more FinTech conferences you attend and the more FinTech conferences you get on stage at, the more successful your business will be. It's true, man. That is a rule which is confirmed by the National Authority of FinTech Conferences and by all the world journalists that work on business media. I tell you. And there's another thing, which is that FinTech conferences give you an unparalleled opportunity to overpay tons of money, thousands and thousands of euros, to get on a stage to talk about random bullshit in front of an audience that is spending their time in the smartphone because there's some employees that got their employer sending them over to the conference so that they can kill some time, while the real people that make real decisions, they're out in the networking lobby, making contacts and doing real business. That value for money trade-off is just unparalleled. And I'll tell you something more, everything that you say at the FinTech conference is officially true. Boom, that's right. If you have a FinTech startup that has no revenue, no business model, no clients, but you're losing buckloads of money every month, man, just go to a FinTech conference and talk about AI, talk about big data, talk about disrupting the traditional banking, and your position will be fully justified. You will be legitimate. That's right. And the last thing, man, this is the best one. FinTech conferences stand beyond statistical reality and conventional logics. That's right. You know why? Because every year, every single FinTech conference says it's the biggest FinTech conference on the planet. That's interesting, huh? And it's getting bigger and bigger every year. So by that logic, this year, the whole world is basically a huge FinTech conference. That's what it is. And you think it's bullshit? Just remember, everything that's said at a FinTech conference is 100% true. Boom, man. That's it. Here you have it. I hope you enjoyed my knowledge sharing and emotional kind of discussion about FinTech conferences. I want you to comment, I want you to subscribe. You want to know more about FinTech conferences? Follow my channel. That's it. And you know what? I want to see you at the FinTech conference. That's right. I'll see you at the next FinTech conference. Peace.